YouTube, it's Laura with TuxedoPlanners and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a plan with me in my personal Hobonichi weeks for the week of July 8th through July 14th. So we're going to get started. First of all, we're going to be using a beautiful mermaid themed, ocean themed kit from Perfect Prints Co. And this I think is an absolutely beautiful kit. You can see the large washi's got the little mermaids on it. And it's got some coral for the smaller washi. So I'm going to go on and get started, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to line out my pages like I normally do. So I'm going to go on and do that. And we're going to start with the weather block first. And I hope everyone's doing well today. Today is Sunday for me, and I'm filming this on. And hope everyone had a great 4th of July and you had a wonderful weekend. And for those that have to return to work tomorrow, my deepest sympathies go with you. Absolutely. But other than that, there's really not a lot going on in my neck of the woods here. The weather is quite warm. It's not too hot. It's probably in the 80s, you know, mid to high 80s during the day, and about 60 at night. So, you know, not too terribly. Very seasonably here for what we have in the mountains of Western North Carolina. Oops, you know what? I did not mean to draw those lines all the way across. But you know what? Let's try it this week. Maybe there's something different I can do. Maybe I can... Oh, I've messed this up all the way along. I'm going to have to wipe this out because that line is not drawn correctly. This one right here. This is what I get for not paying attention. There we go. I'll figure something out for that one. I need to jump down here and put this one down. So, yeah. So we're just going to go on and we're going to make these lines all the way across. This will be new for me this week. And we're going to do the same for this page as well. And if you hear anything, that's my grandson trying to come into the room while I'm filming. He likes to be in the room with his Grammy. So he's knocking around out there. If you hear somebody scream, baby screaming or whatever, mess that up. That'll be all right. Alright, we're going to put this down for the work schedules. And lines all the way across here. So this is something new. Like I said, I'm going to try just lining everything all the way across this week. You know, once in a while it is good to switch things up to see what works for you and what doesn't, to change your outline some. So... you know, we all kind of fall into that same go-to pattern that we always do, and sometimes it helps just to switch things up. Okay, so I didn't draw a line here, so let me go in and draw that line all the way across there. Okay, so now that that's done, and I did that with my Pigma Micron, and PN is the size there. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, so we're going to put that back in my handy dandy bag, and then I'm going to put in the dates. So this will be the 8th, 9th, 10th, and 14th. Okay, so we got that done. Now I need my tweezers that I use, my craft tweezers. That helps me because I don't have any fingernails to help me, so I have to use my craft tweezers that do help me. Okay, not sure how well this kit was cut because none of these stickers is coming off. Oh dear. Okay, this is just... oh my, is anything cut on this kit? I don't think anything has been cut on this kit. Okay, so there's no kiss cuts on this kit at all. So I got to figure out how I'm going to do this. I may just have to switch kits because this isn't going to work. I'm not happy about this. I may send something to her and let her know that this was not cut correctly. Because, I mean, I can't even get it off. It looks like the cuts didn't go all the way through. Maybe she just didn't check it before she sent it out. Yeah. I'm not even sure how to get this off. Alright guys, I'll be right back because I'm going to have to switch up kits. I can't use this is another Perfect Prints Co. kit, and this one is a Disney kit. So we'll just roll with this one, I guess, because she didn't cut that one right, and I don't want to mess with it. I think I'm going to use my Sharpie marker to do this, my Sharpie Permanent, to write this in, because this is a glossy kit here. So let me go in and put these back in. Okay. And I'll probably send her something about that kit because I can't even use it. Alright, so we're just going to lay these down. But this is a pretty kit. This is a really beautiful kit here. And this one's cut well. She just had a snafu on that cutting day. Her machine probably was acting up on her or something. Who knows? But that's okay. We'll roll with this. It's all right. All right, so okay, so there's that. Now I'm going to go on and I'm going to take that ruler again and I'm going to run the line because I like to outline my dates. And I'm just going to outline them all the way down there. Okay. And we're going to put the weekend banner down wherever that is. Here it is. And that's going to be right here. Nope, that didn't go down well. Okay, so we're just going to put that down here. I will link the shop in the description below for you guys in case you want to order one of her kits. I mean, this whole Disney kit is just, it's a beautiful kit. So, and of course, you know me, I always have a little Disney in my Hobonichi, so in my layouts. Okay, so we're going to put the top washi down now. And this cute pink Mickey. Okay, that's, apparently it goes all the way to the end. Alright, let me see if this is... Alright. And as you can see there, I don't think this is non-sticky. This is non-removable. I think this is, once this sticker stuff is down. This is a glossy kit though. I guess glossy paper is not as removable as matte is. So, okay, so there's that. And I think I'm just going to run the little bars here, and I'm going to put those over here this time. I'm just going to run them down here. And I'm probably going to break this list up into to-dos into this week. Alright, so there's that. We're just going to run this down. You guys good? Yeah, you're good. Alright. And there's this one. Okay, so we got that down. So I'm going to have a to-do up here. I'll put that there. And then this week, I think we're going to do I'm either going to decide between notes or this week. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll do 3. All right, so I think we'll have 2 blocks there. I'll put this week here. Oops. There. Okay, and then I'm going to put notes down here, so that'll work. So I have to-dos this week and notes. So I'll kind of break this space up some. Now, as for my boxes, I'm going to put those... Actually, I think I'm just going to put those here. Seeing how many I have here, I'm going to put one every other one probably. All right, and then I got another big one. I think I'm just going to put... May have to trim this one some. I'll just put it here. There, that'll go. And then for these, I'm just going to put in here. And this will be every other one for this. And here. And I have one left. And I'm probably just going to put it up here on Monday. There we go. And then I did not use to buy to cleaner goals, and I didn't use these last 2, so we'll just save those for another time. I'm really bummed about this kit. That really upsets me that this wasn't cut correctly. I guess I could go in and cut each individual one out, which is a hassle, but I can do it. All right, so there's our bare bones for right now. And we're going to grab some weather stickers and some other things. I'll be right back. I just gathered some stickers that I'll probably use. I'll probably use a laundry sticker. That might be too big for this. Probably we'll just put this one down. Got some laundry there. I do need to work on my Etsy. I have some orders I have to print. So I'm going to put an Etsy sticker there for Monday to work on my Etsy print information. I have a Donald Duck sticker, he's really big, but he's going down here anyway. I don't care how big he is. And here we go. Let me make sure I don't tear him. And he is from my shop, so he's hard to get off because you don't want to tear him. There we go. Oh, there he comes. There he is. Okay, so we're going to put him down in this little corner down here. Kind of got his little foot. We're going to have to cut his little foot off. I'll just kind of fold it over. There we go. And then I'm probably going to put this little mini sticker. She's also from my shop. My shop is linked down below if you're interested in any of my Disney stickers to bling up your planner with some Disney. And I noticed on her kit she didn't have any paydays. So I'm going to go on and I'm going to put this payday flag down for Wednesday. Because as everybody's been following me knows, we get paid on Wednesday. So we use those. I can't use this. This is my miscellaneous book that I have. I think these are just miscellaneous stickers. And this is just a journaling card. I just love this saying, you is kind, you is smart, you is important. I say that to my little grandson every day. So he knows that he is important in my life. And let's see, I don't know. This is just some miscellaneous stuff. I don't see anything in there that we can use. Let's look at our Once More with Love. We've already got that down. We got the weekend down. Some dinner stickers, Happy Mail. I'm not expecting any Happy Mail in. Unfortunately, I'm not. My cruise, I've already got that. Sparkly Paper Co. These are her freebies, I think. These are too big, and this is just some random Hobonichi stuff. Here we go. Now we're coming into the Once More with Love. We're probably going to do one for, this is just the days of the week. We're going to probably do a little hump day down here for Wednesday. And I generally YouTube binge on Sunday, so we're going to put a little YouTube munchkin down because I binge YouTube on that day. And I think that's it for that one. So let's see what Coffee Monster Co.'s got for us today. So we probably will do some filming that's more like going to be on that. For Sunday, I'm going to put one of the little Lazy Day stickers down from Coffee Monster Co. So I'm going to put that down, as you can see that. That's generally on a Sunday. Wait. Those are my countdown stickers. Maybe I'll put her little Winnie the Pooh onesie down for Saturday because he's cute. And I don't have anything there, there, and there. Okay, so that's it for those. All right, so this is what I've got so far going on. And I don't think I have anything else that I'm going to be putting down. I do need to do the weather, so let me do the weather really quick for next week. And let's get the weather up here, if I can find the weather. All right, so daily, and it you know, I don't know why I do the weather in the summer because it never changes. It's always what it is. So it's 86 and 70, and it's going to be partly cloudy. So we're going to put a partly cloudy. And if you like these, this is from the Very Crafty Mama. These are perfect size for the Hobonichi weeks if you're interested in that. Tuesday is going to be 80 and 67. And that's also going to be sunny, so we're going to put a sunny sticker down. Wednesday is 82 and 67. And sunny. Thursday is 83 and 66, and we think it's going to rain, so we're going to put a rain sticker down there. Friday is 84 and 66. It's going to be sunny. And Saturday is 84, 67. See what I mean? But the weather doesn't change. It's just always the same here in the mountains. And Sunday, it's going to be 86 and 68. And it's also going to be another sunny day. So we got that in. All right, guys. So that's what we have. I'm going to go back and I'm going to put in my husband's and my kids' work schedules and any things that we have to do. But for right now, this is it before the pen. And as you can see, it is definitely a beautiful kit. I do like it. I preferred to have used the mermaids, but since it's not cut, I can't do that. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or any suggestions or anything like that on future videos. That'd be great. Also, if you like my content, please think about subscribing to my channel. Hit that subscribe button down below, the notification bell next to it to be notified of when I upload my content. I do try and upload at least 2 to 3 times a week if I can. And thank you for all of my new subscribers, and welcome to my channel. And I hope you enjoy my future content as well. And with that, guys, I am off, and I hope you all have a lovely and wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.